high-ranking officers of what you did. Obvious po na nagsisinungaling ka. Obvious po na pinagtatakpan ka, pinipilit ito mga tao mo sa ilalim. Pag tinatanong sila kung kaninong kasalanan, ayaw kang ituro. Pare-pareho naman ho kayo mawawala sa serbisyo. Natatawa na lang nga po itong mga senior officers na mga kasama niyo ho dati, si Colonel Busita, ngayon ay congressman, na si General Acop, na ngayon congressman na rin. You guys are all lying. Mr. Chairman, I hate to say this, parang binabastos ho itong committee mo. Kaya if you would, Mr. Chair, and I don't know if our other congressmen here, our committee members will agree with me. Sir, let us cite these people in contempt. Siguro nalulungkot yung 6 na nakakulong sa baba. Gusto siguro nilang magkaroon ng party sa baba. Why don't we, I suggest, isama na ho ito simula kay General Mariano at iba pa mga officers para magkaroon sila ng party mamayang gabi. Mag-party sila doon hanggang sa ma-realize nila nagsisinungaling sila because walang patutunguhan. This investigation is not going anywhere because they're really lying. May mga testigo na ho tayo, ayaw pa rin magsalita. So, if you would, Mr. Chair, I would like to cite in contempt these other officers kasama si General Mariano. I hate to say this, but we don't have a choice, Mr. Chair, para kung binabastos ang committee mo, pinaglalaruan, pinagtatatawanan, akala siguro mga batang paslit tayo dito sa Congress. So we have to teach them a lesson, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Is that a motion, Mr.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that's my motion.
Okay,
This-
Chairman. Okay, before we act on the motion, 1 minute suspension. Hearing resume. Okay, before we act on the motion of Congressman Erwin Tulfo, I have a minute of suspension. Hearing resume. Okay, so since we're waiting for a very important document coming from the LSB, so we will act on the motion of our Deputy Majority Floor Leader, Erwin Tulfo. But before we go on into voting, Congressman Paduano, you are recognized, Chairman.
Chairman, before I second the motion, let me clarify if who are those specific PNP officers that will be cited in contempt in today's hearing, as per motion of the Honorable Tolfo.
Yeah. So we will be more specific on the motion of Congressman Erwin Tulfo. So the motion is to cite in contempt.
General Mariano and Colonel Cabradilla.
Yes, there will be a motion. But before we act on that motion, because I have got a copy of the report of the PSB, the LSB, yung pong ating custodian ng ating pong House of Representatives, ano. And I read that Major Magsalos, that you have brought. Is this true, General Magsalos? In accordance with what I got, nagpasok ka ng 38 caliber dito sa kongresong ito? Yes, Major Magsalos. May nakuwang 38 caliber
Negative, Mr. Chair.
nung last hearing.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako yun, Mr. Chair.
So hindi ikaw yung may dala ng 38 caliber.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
So we are inviting our LSB, no, para to find out, no,
Yes, Mr.
yung
Chair.
veracity ng report. So sige, you are raising your hand.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
ako po yung yung nagdala ng caliber 38.
Bakit may dala ka ng
Ebidensya po 'yun na pine-present po sa court kasi under po 'yun eh.
you are Desden, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why did you bring a gun in the House of Representatives? Kahit kami mga congressman, hindi kami nakakapagdala ng baril dito. But you, I invited a resource person, have bring a gun inside the House of Representatives. Ha? Bakit ka nagdala ng baril dito? Kahit na sabihin na natin na yun ay ebidensya. Saan ebidensya yun?
Your Honor, na-restrict po kasi ako sa sa custody po ng NCRPO. So umaattend po ako ng hearing. Kaya naisipan ko na pong dalhin doon kasi hindi na po ako makauwi sa bahay.
Have you reported that sa gate? Na yun ay ginagamit sa ebidensya?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Have you reported that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So in a while, we'll be asking the PSB kung yun ay talagang sinabi mo doon sa report sa amin. But that worries us. Sige, Congressman Acop.
Saan galing yung baril na dala mo sa bahay ninyo?
Ebidensya po yun, sir, na ako ang may
Hindi mo
custody.
naman sinasagot yung tanong ko eh. Saan galing yung baril? Kasi ang sagot mo kanina, hindi ka na makakabalik sa bahay. So saan galing yung baril na yun?
Sa bahay po, Mr. Chair.
Ebidensya na sa bahay. General Tates, is that in accordance with the rules? Hindi ba pag ebidensya, nandun sa evidence custodian, sa evidence room?
That's correct, Your Honor. And that is the thing that I will have to look into, especially that before they were on house arrest here at House of Representatives, they were under custodial under the custody of the regional headquarters, particularly at the regional headquarters support unit. Restricted custody po sila doon, Your Honor.
So, ang ibig lang sabihin nito, yung baril na ebidensya, naiuwi pala ng mga polis.
Hindi, kaya nga naiuwi din niya yung 27 million eh. Hindi. Binabasa ko kasi nag-worry ako, nag-report sa akin yung PSP na sinasabi yung baril na ipasok. Actually, nakalusot sila sa sa entrance. But nung dinadala na sila sa detention, doon nakuha yung 38 caliber. And now, nare-reveal pa na yun ay for evidence purposes. Now, galing sa bahay, dala mo. So, hindi ka ba mag-iisip? Di ba?
If I may, Mr.
Anyway, antayin lang natin sa PSB. So you wanted to speak? Sige, Desden.
Mr. Chair, nung kailan lang po, last week,
LSP.
umattend po ako ng hearing, Mr. Chair. Dala ko na po siya nung
LSP.
umattend ako ng hearing.
No, again, I didn't get it. Come again.
Mr. Chair, may expected kasi na hearing ako inatinan so kaya naisipan ko nang dalhin sa sa custodial facility yung ebidensya para hindi na po kasi ako makauwi, Mr. Chair.
Okay naman yun, wala tayong problema doon. But the mere fact, no, that evidence is part of the custody, what do you call that, unit nyo, dapat nandun yung barel, di ba? At any rate, so we'll be before we act on the motion, because we're just waiting for another congressman. So gusto ko na malaman dun sa
Sorry,
kay
Mr. Chair.
Richel Morales.
Yes po.
Kilala mo naman yung mga Chinese doon, di ba? Mga boss mo, di ba? So you know about the Rolex
Rolex na relo po.
nung suot nung boss mo?
Di po ako
So wala kang alam doon sa Rolex. Okay, what do you call this, si Nobesio. Alam niyo yung Rolex, di ba? Alam niyo ba? Hindi.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam, Your
Hindi
Honor.
alam. Si Rainier, hindi rin alam.
Hindi ko rin po alam, Your Honor.
I'm sorry kasi mainit ako doon sa Rolex na yun eh. Wala kasi akong Rolex eh. Gusto kong makita kung gaano talaga kaganda yung Rolex na yun. So, anybody who wanted to, Congressman